see it?
I can see.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Alright, time to do steering wheel.
Okay, I can.
After it's been a few days and
A week.
we were supposed to do it, but circumstances forced us to do it today. Alright, you ready?
No.
It's a do it DIY steering wheel removal.
How sexy that looks. Jokes. Look how like scratched up that is. Oh wait. Where is it? It's on the side. You can see it's scratched up. Especially right here. It looks like you got refinished.
That's your Amazon steering wheels.
I know.
$100.
$100.
That's what you get. HKB Sports. Boss kit. All right. I can't read that, but I'm gonna take out the bolt.
Down here.
Boy, come on, man.
There's supposed to be something.
Alright, let's get that out. This is the cluster?
Two side panels
Yeah.
covering the Torx bolts that hold the air.
Yellow one out.
Unplugged.
Yep.
Airbag is off. Got him.
Let that broke. That's fine. That one works.
Good.
Oh, you do. It's right here. It says it's labeled T30.
Yo, nice.
That's dope.
That was a toolbox.
See, he has a small one too, yeah?
Sick.
Oh, it doesn't even fit.
T30 bolt.
T30 John.
T30U.
And what sucks is
It's
we
kinda
have to
hard to
put
see.
the
There you
thing
go.
back on. It's pretty tight.
Come on, James.
What the frick? There we go.
Got it. Last bolt is out, and I can take out this thing.
Can I?
Yeah.
Bruh.
See, it's out.
Oh shoot. Yo, handy. Yo, 100.
$100.
Oh yeah, man.
All right, we're finally inside.
I need this. How big is that? That's pretty huge.
Where?
This middle piece.
That one.
What the heck? Steering wheel.
I almost got it out.
Oh.
It's huge hole right here. Holding this, I believe.
Holding you.
All right. Almost there, guys. Finally got the tabs off. So I
Finally.
guess we can pull the steering wheel out now. There we go, boy. Here we are. Bare. That's baby's bottom.
It's kind of heavy.
With some wires.
Dude, it actually feels kind of heavy.
That's what stock, dude. You got all the bolts out. Both sides at the same time.
Really? It's hard.
Alright. bottom out.
Oh my god, this stupid thing. There we go. Okay.
Alright guys, we're almost there. Just gotta install the quick release. And after that, steering wheel. We're almost there. This is it.
No, don't do it yet.
Final product.
If I could put it in. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I know what to do.
Put it in last time. I'm sure you can do it. Guys, you finally got it.
Alright, let's see.
Turned ignition, boy.
I know, the car's off.
Oh yeah. Terminal. We still gotta put the battery terminal on the positive side. But hey, you got it. Got
Should I
him.
just cut this?